Merry Christmas.
Nice seeing you.
Merry
too.
Christmas.
Hey, send me a goat for Christmas.
Screaming goat. Open me. I like destroying the Quran more than you.
Oh, nice.
That is amazing.
Wow.
This scream somehow?
Push on it. Push on the back.
He's got the Quran in his mouth.
Yep.
Push what?
Push on its back, like rub its back, but push it down.
Oh, that is classic. Made with real Quran.
You said you wanted to go for Christmas, so.
Oh, yeah, that's funny.
Even eating the Quran is penance. Look at that.
That is classic.
If you'd like to see how it was done and maybe be able to do it yourself, click the video here and have yourself a Merry Christmas.
This is a powerful religion. There's a reason to it. Yeah?